Exploring the commonalities of New York City and Toronto. New York and Toronto are said to be two different cities from one mother. There are several things that make these cities pretty much identical. Here are some highly common things that are shared by both New York and Toronto that makes them one of the finest places to live. Number 6. Food scene. Both cities have diverse and vibrant food scenes, with a wide range of cuisines available. New York City is known for its pizza, bagels, and hot dogs, while Toronto has its own specialties such as PEAMEAL bacon sandwiches and poutine. Number 5. Cultural attractions. Both cities have a wide range of cultural attractions such as museums, art galleries, and theaters. In New York City, you can visit famous institutions such as the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, and the Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts. In Toronto, you can visit the Royal Ontario Museum, the Art Gallery of Ontario, and the Toronto Symphony Orchestra. Number 4. Sports teams. Both cities have major professional sports teams. New York City has several teams in various sports, including the Yankees and Mets in baseball, the Giants and Jets in football, and the Knicks and Nets in basketball. Toronto has teams in hockey, Maple Leafs, baseball, Blue Jays, and basketball, Raptors. Number 3. Public transportation. Both cities have extensive public transportation systems that make it easy for residents and visitors to get around. New York City has its famous subway system, while Toronto has the TTC, Toronto Transit Commission, which includes subway lines, buses, and streetcars. Number 2. Skyscrapers. Both cities have impressive skylines with numerous skyscrapers. New York City is famous for its iconic skyscrapers such as the Empire State Building and One World Trade Center, while Toronto has its own impressive structures such as the CN Tower and First Canadian Place. Number 1. Diversity. Both New York City and Toronto are known for their diverse populations. People from all over the world come to live and work in these cities, which creates a vibrant and multicultural atmosphere. Subscribe New York City Advisor for exclusive updates and content.